Alright guys, so I got kind of a sad update for you here as of today, February 13th, 2022. If you guys remember, either back in 2019 or 2020, I got an Emerson fan, model 77646SU. Very good fan. I've gotten a lot of use off it, and it still runs today. But unfortunately, guys, I got a sad update for you. My Emerson fan is currently out of service until I can repair it. So I'm going to explain to you guys what happened here with the fan. Now I know some of you aren't fan collectors like I am, but unfortunately, guys, my Emerson fan's power cord suffered a failure. The two wires were touching, and I did not even realize this. And man, that was the worst shock I ever got in my entire life, guys. Those two wires shorted and created a huge explosion. And unfortunately, it did shock me pretty good. Now, I am perfectly fine, by the way. I didn't really, it wasn't a terrible injury, but I did get shocked. It was scary. I mean, I could not believe what had happened. So unfortunately, guys, I did get shocked. So the fan's out of service until further notice. So you guys won't be seeing any more videos of the fan until I can get a proper three-prong power cord or three-prong cord for it. So anyway, what happens is the hot and the neutral wire were touching, and I did not even know this. And then when I went to plug it back in after cleaning and servicing the power cord, it just exploded. And that's what shocked me. So anyway, it went through my right arm here, back behind my collarbone. It went down back behind me, and luckily I had my left hand in my pocket, so it actually went through my left arm as well. And the electricity, it went through my leg and down into the ground. So anyway, so that's the path the electricity took. So both my arms and my right leg or my left leg were tingling. Actually, my right leg was tingling, so it was really scary. And I thought for sure I was going down when that happened. But that it was a miracle that it was as small as it was. But anyway, the explosion was big, shock was small. So anyway, I'm very thankful that I didn't get terribly injured. And I'm also very, very thankful it did not go through my heart. Instead, it just went through my shoulders, down my other arm, down through my right leg and into the ground. So anyway, I did have rubber-soled shoes on for extra protection. Usually they say you want to keep one hand behind your back, but you're better off keeping it in your pocket. So anyway, guys, that leads to another update here. If you guys remember seeing my service panel, circuits 11 and 23 are my shop circuits. So I will be installing arc fault circuit interrupters. So I will be doing a video on how to do that. So anyway, we won't be able to do it as a live stream because obviously I'll have all power off to the house, but I will do a video showing how to do it. So I'll keep you guys posted on when we're going to do that. I just have to get the breakers first and a new power cord for my Emerson. So guys, as of right now, my Emerson fan is out of service, so I won't be able to do any videos on it until it's repaired. So anyway, too bad I did not get the explosion on video. So I was not recording at the time because I noticed the fan, and that's part of the reason why the fan was sputtering, and it was starting to slow down a lot due to the wire in the power cord. It was starting to break. So unfortunately, guys, that was real bad, and the explosion literally just broke it in half. So of course, the plug was still in the outlet, but guys, I put all safety first by turning off that circuit, and I did that with the tester. So after I tripped the breaker, now guys, if it did have a three-prong power cord and that happened, it would have just tripped the breaker right away. But unfortunately, because it was not a grounded power cord, that was really... So if you guys remember, that's the exact same thing that happened to my Fetter's Weather Wheels fan motor. When the fan motor exploded like that and the windings exploded. So unfortunately, that was a sad ending for my Fetters fan motor. But speaking of that, guys, fan assembly is still out as of right now. I will be doing the repair on it as soon as possible. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that my Emerson fan suffered the failure today. It was unexpected, catastrophic cord failure. So we are going to be I will do a video on how to replace your fan's power cord. So anyway, I will show you guys how to do that. But anyway, at first, guys, I thought it was the motor. I thought it was the bearing seizing up. So I lubricated it real good. But it was still having that problem. So I was like, you know what? We better take it apart and see what's going on in there. And that's when I noticed the partial break in the wire impeding the current. So anyway, guys, we are going to be replacing the power cord on my Emerson fan after what happened today. And we're also going to be installing arc fault circuit interrupters along with some GFCI outlets. So guys, I will do videos on how to do that kind of stuff. So if you guys are new, that's going to be a little bit of electrical work we're going to be doing. So anyway, I will be keeping guys posted, by the way, on when I get the materials I need. So guys, the materials I'm going to need that I'll be getting when I'm at the hardware store is a new power cord for my Emerson fan and 2 arc fault circuit interrupters. But anyway, guys, so the only arc fault circuit interrupters I'm going to need as of right now are for circuits 11 and 23, which are in my shop. I really think the National Electrical Code should make it mandatory that like all shop circuits, like all circuits in a workshop, should be protected by arc fault circuit interrupters in the service panel. So guys, anyway, guys, I will pin that comment, by the way. I'll put it down. That'll be a question for you guys. Should the National Electrical Code make it mandatory that arc fault circuit interrupters be installed, or arc fault circuit interrupter breakers in the service panel for like workshop circuits? So anyway, guys, I will put that comment down below and I will pin it so that way you guys can see it and you can answer. You guys can tell me what you think. But anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Sorry for the sad update. My Emerson fan suffered a failure, but I will be repairing it soon. So anyway, guys, we'll see you on another video. So guys, take care, stay safe out there in the cold, and we'll see you all in another video.